beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, another one don't happen for Ewot for Bini. They catch two women wey be say that they go dey thief children. They catch them for Ewot. It's happening right now in Ewot, my darling people. So many people go they look for their pikin. They not go know say now somebody. Now all those women they where they will just get innocent face. You not go know say now they go they catch your children. Now they go they kidnap your children. You don't go know. My darling people, sometimes I dey wonder say why some women be like this. You go dey look for your pikin, you don't go know say kidnappers like those women, they already carry them. They don't go sell them. Now they finally catch them for Ewot. Ewot don scatter now, my darling people. Like wetin con dey happen for Benin? Wetin dey play? Like seriously, does it mean say no work again for Africa? Wey be say because I believe say now work wey not dey, now they make all those women they do this kind thing. How can a woman go just sit down, say now to go they kidnap children? Now you can't dey in mind. Like seriously, where that one for the happen for Benin? Now this one for the happen. So it's happening right now in Benin City. Two women they just catch them now. Then they go they thief children. So you know say one day they say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. After they don't do what they do since now God finally catch them now. So now as I they talk to now the day they catch them just now that they beat them. So I believe say they go hand over them to police because these kind of people they're not supposed to leave them, make their day area, make they walk out freely like that. No, it's not possible. So my darling people, if you never watch the video, I go put the video, but there are some parts where be say they can't slap them. So I don't know whether YouTube go allow that kind of thing. Like I say, I go cover some parts for the video. So if you watch this video, please help me to share the video. Because some people, so many people, they got to really learn. They got to see what the happen for Africa there, you understand? They really have to see what the happen. Some women and some people, they are really wicked. This thing when I dey talk so, it dey happen well for Africa. It dey happen well for Africa. We be say people not go find work. They go just sit down, begin they steal people children. Some people go they look for their pikin. Maybe they send a message. They not go know say women like this kind of people, they don't go carry the children, go thief them. You understand? So now waiting just the happen right now for Benin City for Ewot. Like this one for the happen. So I go put the video more than listing, more than see waiting the happen for Africa or waiting some women they do. You understand? Because I don't really know why woman go just sit down say now to go they steal children, they go come their mind, they go come be their priority. Me, I don't understand. I don't know the reason why they do this thing. They say every day for the thief, one day for the owner, you know. So I believe say that they go they sell them. Yeah. If you disagree with me, you leave your comment for the comment section. But for me, I believe say that they go they steal those children. And they go they sell them. Yeah. They go they sell them. Now I want to talk, my darling people. They go they sell the children. Yeah. And what did they do? Now be that one. Now they are work. So you will be say you dey watch this video right now. Please share the video. Let the video go viral. Let people hear of this video. Let more people hear and see what they happen for Africa. You understand? So that make people take learn too, you know. So that people go know say Ewot does scatter now. Ewot not be the way it be before again. They don't the thief now for Ewot. So if you know say you get family for there for Ewot, I beg, tell them, make them know act the adult they keep their children for inside house. So say people they thief children for that area right now. Is happening right now in Benin for Ewot. That this one for the happen. So you will be say you dey watch this video, please share the video. It might help 1 or 2 persons. Thank you. I will put the video now for you people to watch. Before you start to watch, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.
Until they let yourself. This woman.
Una know what happened yesterday evening. Mama, wait, yesterday evening.
This woman.
Yesterday evening. Mama, wait. Mama, wait. Yesterday evening. Now one woman take God. I don't tell me. They said they need out. Yesterday evening. No. Shut up there. You know
I want to put that finish. I want to put that finish. With that kasha. For the accident, I was for them. And we come up for your son. People are teach children. You should have too many. You need teach children for you. People should have more than 70. 70. They don't have pack deco. They don't have packs on go. Now they want correct.
Where the children?
Police are back there. These 2 women can't run. They can't go out for our backyard. More than 70, my lord. I don't believe our boy. Logo. Leave her. Logo. The children. I think say you Lulubo. They never spoil her. More than 70. And if you see twins when they carry small twins. Don't be different. Ah, yeah. Okay, they don't carry the children, they go. Hey. No. Wait.